Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. This way you will see it in your inbox. You will see the picture of what the video is about and the title. And if it's something that's like a deal or something time sensitive, you'll be able to press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. All right, today I'm excited to share with you, I got unexpectedly, because I don't think they send tracking. It is the Walmart beauty box. This is a beauty box that's seasonal. They're usually a little behind on the seasons. This is their winter box, and we're now getting close to spring, or pretty much spring. So, but this is a box that you put in your age range and things like that. I think my age puts me in the classics, and that's, I think, what I get. I know a lot of people get more than one of these boxes, and they put themselves for the trend mood box based on that age, but I've always been happy with what I've gotten. This is a $5 box. They say it's a free box, but you're only paying the $5 for the shipping. And it always comes in a cute little box like this. And usually, when I was getting it initially, it was a lot of foil packs and things like that. And then when I started the channel again, I decided I was going to try the box again, because this is an inexpensive box that if somebody does want to give themselves a treat a few times during the year, this I think is a great way to do it. So when I opened up the box, and if you're not familiar with my channel, what I do is I open up the box prior to filming, and I set it up so we can show it all laid out for an Instagram picture before I film, because when I film on YouTube, what I usually do with you guys is we play a little here. So I do swatches and things like that. So I want everything to look perfect and everything for the Instagram post, and so we open up everything. But I really don't read any of the cards or do anything, just solely set it all up, and then I put everything back in the box. With that said, when I took everything out, there was not even one foil pack. So really, really excited about that. So this is the box. And it says Walmart Beauty on the side here. And then when you open it, there was no tissues or anything like that inside, but they have a cute little saying in here where it says, "Here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you." And it says you can hashtag Walmart beauty box. And that's what that looks like here. Then they have a couple of papers in here that are just tells you a little bit more, and a couple of advertisements for what's in the box. So like I said, this they're calling their winter wonders. And then they had another one, which is a Colgate product, which you'll see inside here. And then one that really surprised me was from NYX. So let's go through all this, and I'll share with you guys what I got in my box. I have not had the opportunity. This month has been really, really busy to really look at a lot of other videos on YouTube, so I really don't know if other people got this type of box yet, but I know when I do have the opportunity to watch others, a lot of times it's never the same items that are in all the boxes. So the first item that I got in my box is from Color. It's a nail polish. I've never received a nail polish in their box before, and this one, it says it is called, I think, oh, I can't even read it, but it says it's made in the USA, and I think it's just number 1674. And it is this purple, a bluish, really more blue, like a navy blue color. And that's what that item looks like here. The next item that we got was from Colgate. It is the Optic White Renewal. It's our best white tooth whitening toothpaste, and it has 3% peroxide. That's what's in there. I do use this toothpaste. I do enjoy this toothpaste, and that's where it says Optic White. And that's what it is, and it says Renewal, and it says it will remove 10 years of yellow stains, and this gives you a high impact white. That's what that is here. So these are those travel sizes that I think are fantastic, and I love getting these in Walmart boxes and Target boxes. And then, like I said, they sent a card in with that gives you a little bit more information, and all it says on the card is dazzling radiant, goes beyond the surface stains, will give you whitening power, 3%. The peroxide formula removes years of stains while being safe for your enamel. They're saying it's sugar-free, enamel safe, gluten-free, and vegan. That's the second item there. The next item we got, which I've also had before, and I do enjoy this, it is a Degree MotionSense Dry Spray. It's called Ultra Clear Black and White. It is a 48-hour antiperspirant. And I have enjoyed this, and the aroma on this is nice. It's not strong. It's just really, really fresh and clean. The only thing you got to make sure is to shake it before you use it. All right. The next item that we got in here is a moisturizer cream from the brand called Curel. That's it there. And it says it is a dermatology tested. They're saying it is a new product. It's a dry skin therapy. It's Hydra Silk Moisturizer. It says it will immediately absorb and deliver long-lasting, non-greasy moisture. It's made with ceramide complex, and it's a 1 fluid ounce. And on the back here, it says for best results, apply daily to help relieve any dry skin and reapply as needed. They're saying this Curel Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer with ceramide complex will penetrate the skin surface to help repair at the source of the dryness for a long-lasting hydration. All right, that's what this item looks like here. Let's open it up and see if we have a safety seal, and we do not. That's what the item looks like there. And it looks like that. And it is more of a lotion. And there is no real scent to it, just clean. Just a clean scent. Really, really nice. Okay, and then the one that I'm really excited about that I could not believe was in the box is from NYX. And this says it is Get Obsessed with Our #1 Classic Lip Icon. They have 2 items in here. It came in this cute box. This is what it looks like here with the lips on one side and the 2 other items on the other. And what it says, it's saying it's a soft matte lip cream is one of them that will deliver a burst of creamy color that sets to a stunning matte finish. And it will be light on the lips and heavy on the pigment. No wonder this sweet scented formula is a fan fave. All right, so let me open this guy up. And when we open up boxes, I try to do it with a little tweezer. This way I don't tear the boxes open. It's a really great trick. And it has helped save a lot of my boxes. But how cute is this? Okay, so we received 2 of them. One says it's a soft matte metallic lip cream. And the other one is saying it is a soft matte lip cream. So one has metallic in it and one does not. I'm trying to see here if there's a name of what colors we got, but I do not see anything on these tubes. But on the back of the box, it's saying the matte lip cream is in California, and they're both called California. All right. Let's see what this is here. Okay, so we're going to swatch first the soft matte lip cream. Let me see if it's already, the moisturizer's already completely sunk in, and that's the difference, the hand with the moisturizer and the one without. Okay, so this is the soft matte lip cream. That's what it looks like here. I enjoy these so much. They're butter lips, all of them. They're just fantastic, and they're really not expensive. They run anywhere. I've seen them as $7, some places $5. You just have to shop around. But I purchased these in store, but I've also purchased them online on Amazon as well. These are soft. This one is the soft matte metallic one, and it's the same doe foot applicator, and we'll do it right beside it so you'll be able to see the difference. Both are really pretty. Okay, this one here is the metallic. You could see a bit of a shine to it, where the other one is the matte, but both are beautiful colors. So I'm really curious to see when I have the opportunity to watch other people's videos, what colors they got or if they got the same colors in the lip products. But these are definitely wearable colors. So we got 2 NYX products. We got a moisturizer. We received an antiperspirant. We received a beautiful nail polish, as well as the Colgate whitening. All of this for $5. So like I said, if this is of any interest to you, definitely go on walmart.com, place in that it's a Walmart, I think it's called the beauty box, and then see if it's something of interest to you that you want to sign up for. But I think it's a real treat. The only thing is you never know when you're going to get it and which season. You're usually behind a season, but I still think these are fantastic for to have in the arsenal, and these are definitely colors you can definitely wear in the spring. So once again, I am really, really happy with the Walmart box. I'm happy that I resubscribed to this. This is a subscription box, but like I said, it's $5 and it comes out quarterly. All right. Once again, thank you everybody for finding my newer channel. I really appreciate you guys sharing my channel because that's the only way I'm going to grow on this platform. So thank you for doing that for me. I also want to thank the few people that have mentioned to me that they're going to mention me in their Facebook groups. I am not on Facebook as of yet. Like I said, I'm trying to get back into social media. Starting in social media, not back, starting in social media. So I started with YouTube. I am doing Instagram, plus I work. So it's very hard for me to add another platform to it. So I really do appreciate the people that have mentioned to me that they're going to mention me on their Facebook groups. So thank you for that. I really, really do appreciate that because the only way I'm going to grow is through networking through you guys. So thank you for that. But more importantly, thank you for spending your time with me. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.